Hello, I'm Mako Ikeda. This time, with 3COINS, I'll be introducing some buzz items that are currently very popular. 3COINS popular products often sell out quickly, but some items are consistently restocked and easy to buy. I've selected 5 such products, many of which are storage or convenience goods useful for daily life. I hope you find them helpful when shopping. Alright, let's start with the first item. This is a multi-clear box with a lid. It's being sold for 1,650 yen. As you can see in the photo, it comes with separate parts inside, so you can easily assemble it and use it. You can assemble it just by fitting the parts together without needing a screwdriver or glue. Here's the assembled product. This is a large clear box. The lid is attached, and when you pull here, it opens smoothly like this. Right now, there are 3 shelves attached inside, but you can use them to display and organize small items. I think it would be great for your child's crafts, toys, collectible figures, cosmetics, or nail supplies. Really, you can store all sorts of things in here. The shelves are magnetic and can be easily removed, so you can adjust them to fit your needs. Since the shelves just rest in place, you can also take them out simply and quickly. The shelves are made of a mesh material, so you can attach them wherever you like. Looking from the side, you can see that there are 3 levels in the lower half. The structure is deep, so if you want to store larger items, you can remove all the shelves. Also, if you change the direction, you can use it as a horizontal case. The lid opens sideways, which is a nice feature. If you have 2 of the same boxes, you can stack them and use them together. The material feels like plastic, but it's a bit softer and more flexible than typical hard plastic, so I don't think it will break easily. It's not the hard, rigid type of plastic, but rather has a slightly softer feel to it. There are also wide types of this product available, so you can choose the size that fits what you want to store. I recommend it for anyone who wants to display and organize their favorite items. If you put in something really hard, or if you press on it too much, it might get a little dented, so please be careful when using it. It's best for storing lighter items. This is also a recent product. It's a popular box.
Yes, that's right.
These are kitchen goods. Here, I bought a microwave single-serving Tamagoyaki cooker. This is a 300 yen item inside. There's a container for the eggs. When you open it, it looks like this. I'll explain how to use it in detail later, but you just put the eggs in here and mix them. You can cook Tamagoyaki just by heating it in the microwave like this. This is what it looks like. In the morning, you take out a frying pan and make Tamagoyaki. When you consider it, you realize you need to monitor it, which can be a hassle, especially with all the dishes to wash afterwards. You might think you need to keep an eye on it, but with this, you can easily finish it in the microwave, so you can do other tasks in the meantime. This lid is also designed to be easy to open, with a shape that makes it simple to lift. It has these bumps on both sides, so maybe if you turn it over, maybe it's designed so you can use it without worrying about which side is up. In the morning, you can just take it out and not have to think about which way it goes. Or maybe it's made so you can use either side, whichever way you pick it up. Honestly, I don't really like using frying pans, but sometimes I want to eat a fried egg. I usually just make eggs quickly and eat them because it's easier, but with this it seems like I could enjoy fried eggs more casually. From the photos, it looks like you can make eggs that are half-cooked or even a bit runny, which I think is nice, but I'll have to try it out later to see how it really turns out. I wonder if it will be easy to clean up after using it, but for people who want to eat fried eggs or want to save time in the morning, I think this could be really handy.
Thank you very much for watching.
Yes, please continue over here.
This is the 3-way human sensor light, priced at 800 yen. This was a product. This one too was released a little while ago and became a popular item, so I think it's been restocked several times. But since it's a 3-way, I got curious and decided to buy it. Here it is. This one was also sold in other colors like white and pink beige. The light on top here looks pretty basic and plain. It's also magnetic, so if you just stick it on, you can adjust it to your preferred angle. I tried using it for a bit, and honestly, it's just a regular light, but it feels pretty nice. You can adjust it to various angles, and as for the 3-way part, it says you can place it on your bedside or use the magnet to attach it to the wall. Maybe there's even a magnet inside here, I'm not really sure. The light can also serve as an emergency light. While it's usually set up like this, you can use just one part of the light for that purpose. You can take it off and use it as a flashlight. It's definitely designed so you can remove it and use it that way. If you twist the main body like this, you can open it up. You can use it by inserting 3 separately sold AA alkaline batteries. If you have it mounted on the wall, you can just take off the light part and easily replace the batteries, so it's really simple. Also, this isn't a switch type light, but rather a motion sensor light, so it automatically turns on when someone approaches. The sensor range is about 2 to 3 meters. The light stays on for about 20 seconds before automatically turning off, making it suitable for placement in a hallway. For example, in the entryway or any dim area. If set up in a closet or similar location, the light turns on automatically, preventing you from forgetting to switch off the electricity. As an LED light, the main unit doesn't get hot, making it safe around children. And I think it's easy to use for families as well. The round acorn-like shape is also really cute. You can adjust the angle and it will stay in place, so you can really point it in the direction you want. Yes, that's 2. I bought the base for the water armband here. This is a 300 yen item. Some of you might already have this. There aren't many, but it's very popular. It's still being sold now as a very popular item. There were other colors like grey available too. You just set this around your wrist, and when you wash your face, the water drops are absorbed by this armband. If you wash your face without anything, your clothes can get wet or water can drip onto the floor. But with this, you don't have to worry. This is made of microfiber material, so it feels nice to the touch and absorbs water really well. It's also stretchy, so it doesn't feel tight at all. Even if you shake your hands, you don't have to worry about your clothes getting wet. I actually bought a similar one from Saria and have been using it, but the texture is a bit different, and this one has buttons and hooks. So when you're not using it, you can just fasten it with this button here, since it's all bundled up. Yes, just like this, you can neatly store it away. The Celia lacks a feature available on the 3COINS. It's primarily designed for washing your face or similar purposes. You can also use it when you're cleaning or doing the dishes. You don't have to worry about your clothes getting wet, so it also prevents your clothes from getting dirty or splashed. Also, if you just keep it on your hands, it can help keep you warm, so I thought it could be useful as a way to stay warm as well. Surprisingly, wind can enter through gaps in clothes, so wearing an apron helps block it out. It catches water when washing your face and is convenient for washing dishes by rolling up the sleeves. After use, it can be easily washed in a laundry net in the washing machine, making it low maintenance. If you haven't tried this type yet, I definitely recommend it.
Thank you very much for watching.
Lastly, we have the Ultimate Mini Bustle, priced at 500 yen and available in 3 colors. I tried using beige this time. As for this Ultimate Towel, well, it's actually a product that's always being sold, so I was curious about it, but unexpectedly, after using it, I was quite impressed. So this time I decided to buy it and give it a try. This is really, it's really a very popular product, and I think a lot of people buy it repeatedly, but it seems like they've also renewed it, so it feels even better to use. Yes, when I spread it out, I can see that this is also an ultimate bath towel, so compared to regular face towels, it's a much larger towel. The size is about 50 by 3 feet 3 inches, and as a bath towel, you can imagine it's pretty big, but the fabric itself isn't too thick, so it's actually quite light and thin, and the material feels really soft and fluffy. It might not be enough as a face towel, but as a bath towel. This towel is perfect for those who find face towels insufficient but don't want a cumbersome bath towel. It's not too heavy, has a nice voluminous appearance, yet remains light and fluffy. Even when shaken, it feels soft and airy, seeming meticulously designed in every aspect. This is my first time using it, so I can't really compare it to before, but for those of you who have been using it already, if you recently purchased a replacement, you may notice some differences. It feels softer to the touch and seems to absorb water really well. The design is very simple and plain. That's how it feels to me. It's definitely bigger compared to a face towel, but it's not as thick as a bath towel, so I thought it might be just right for wrapping up your hair. I think it can absorb moisture from your whole body, and even if you have long hair, it should be able to absorb water really well. It's a really compact size, so if you're interested, please check it out. Hi, so today I'm filming with my smartphone in selfie mode. I introduced some popular products. Since they keep restocking and selling out, I think the really popular items are those that are easy for many people to use, so you probably won't regret trying them. Even if you can't find them online, they might still be available in stores. So if you see something that fits your needs, please give it a try. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This was Makoto Ikeda. Bye bye.